What factors might we consider when signing up for Medicare? Well, Mindy McIntosh of McIntosh & Associates is here with me now to tell us what people need to think about before they start this benefit, this particular one.
It's really going back to school and the ABCs of Medicare, because some folks are still working beyond eligible Medicare age, which is generally speaking 65. So if we've been helping folks and they're maybe even contributing to a health savings account and utilizing an HSA, then we want them to stay employer sponsor covered and not yet apply for Medicare, because now they can no longer contribute to the HSA. So just making sure, what do they have for employer benefits versus what about if they actually apply for Medicare on their own? And then we absolutely don't want to miss the time frame to enroll. There's penalties people can have. We do have changes coming to the Inflation Reduction Act, which is also changing employer-sponsored coverage in the future. So make sure that they're touching base with their representative to make sure they know the proper timelines, because we don't want to, you don't get a retake and you don't get to redo it. It's going to stick with you. So we don't want any penalties. We want it set up appropriately for their Medicare timeline, which is really independent upon them.
It's good to have that advisor by your side as I'm listening to you here. It's also good to have this toolkit in your hands. And I know it talks about this very topic. Tell us more.
So in the toolkit, we actually have a Medicare portion in there. It talks about Medicare and you and for your retirement years. We want to make sure that the ABCs are spelled out. We even have a nice resource paper in there that talks specifically about the ABCs of Medicare, what type of plan designs, and the timing. You can also read a chapter in the Cultivate Wealth book specifically on Medicare and the healthcare you have through your retirement journey.
All right, Mindy, thank you so much. Great information. Check out that information now on your screen for your own Retire Ready Toolkit. And that's this week's Mid-Michigan Retirement Report.